TikTok Shop brand strategies, how to build collabs that actually convert. When it comes to growing sales on TikTok Shop, a lot of brands start in the wrong place. Most brands either wait for creators to find them or chase influencers who never reply. In this video, I'm breaking down how to actually build profitable creator collaborations on TikTok Shop, how outreach works, and which types of creators make the most sense for your brand. But real quick, I'm Ian Smith with Evolve Media. We help e-commerce brands create photo and video content that actually converts, whether that's for Amazon, TikTok Shop, or Shopify. If you want a free audit of your brand, Amazon listings, or TikTok Shop listings, go to emaamz.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and book a free Zoom call with me. On the call, I'll give you actionable steps to take to increase your impressions, clicks, and conversions. Also, feel free to email me directly, ian@evolvemediaagency.com, with any questions that you have. All right, now let's get into it. Number one, not every brand can message every creator. This surprises a lot of TikTok sellers. TikTok doesn't let brand new shops contact every creator right away. You have to earn that privilege. If your shop is new or hasn't sold much yet, your outreach is limited. When you're just starting out, you can message about 20 to 30 creators per day through target collaboration inside the Seller Center. As your sales grow and your performance score goes up, TikTok increases that limit, sometimes to a few hundred messages per day. The more your sales and performance scores improve, TikTok automatically unlocks more messaging privileges. If your shop score drops down, your invite access shrinks as well. Fast shipping and low disputes keep that score high. They directly control your outreach access. If you're not seeing a contact button on the creator's profile, that's not a glitch. TikTok just hasn't unlocked that level yet for your shop. If you need help with driving more sales, reach out to me and I can help you run a rebate campaign to get you more customers for your TikTok shop. Number two, who to work with and how to pay them. Big influencers rarely work with new brands. If your shop doesn't have sales or reviews, they won't risk their reputation. That's okay. Smaller creators can often deliver better results anyway. Start with the micro or mid-tier creators in your niche. They're easier to reach and usually more authentic. Also, don't rely on commission alone. Be open to paying a flat rate fee for their time, usually $100 to $200, plus a 10 to 20% commission on the back end sales. That combo gets you way more replies to messages, good content to work with, and motivates creators to take the leap of faith with working with you. That structure reduces some of the risk for the creator, puts more skin in the game from your side, and will give you more ownership over the content. Remember, these creators are being reached out to by dozens of brands like yours on a daily basis. The guaranteed flat rate fee makes you stand out more and will cover their production costs, while the back-end commission rewards their great results. It's compliant with TikTok's rules and FTC guidelines as long as they include the hashtag ad in their post. Number three, how outreach actually works. There are three ways to find and work with creators on TikTok Shop. You can reach out to creators through the TikTok platform, like I mentioned before. You can email them, or you can find them on their other social media channels and try to message them. But they still need to be linked inside the TikTok Shop so you can track sales correctly. Some of the bigger creators only show up in seller shops with stronger performance or sales history. The better your shop performs, the more creator options you'll get unlocked for you. Another way you can message creators that I just remembered is that you can find them through JoinBrands or Billo, then ask if they would be interested in connecting with your brand through the TikTok platform. Number four, pin and scale what works. You can tag your products in your TikTok videos and pin those videos to your product detail page. Pinned videos are the first shoppers see, and they heavily impact conversions. Once multiple creators start posting, test a few pinned videos as ads and track which one performs best. Look at your click-through rate, add to cart rate, and conversions inside Seller Center. When you find what's working, keep that video pinned and double down on the creator behind it. You don't need hundreds of creators. You just need a few who post consistently and drive conversions. Keep them motivated with updates and bonuses, and your sales will follow. So to recap, you don't always need big influencers. You need the right system. Earn your outreach access, start with smaller creators, pay fairly, and scale what works. folks. If you want help setting this up, building your outreach templates, structuring your affiliate program, or just understanding what's actually possible with your current TikTok Shop account, then head over to emaamz.com and book a free Zoom call with me at the bottom of the page down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.